Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. My name is SUHA, and if you're watching me for the first time, I make videos on fashion, makeup and lifestyle. So if you have those same interests, then subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Today I will be reviewing this interesting clutch blush palette by Tarte. This is the Life of the Party Clay Blush Palette and Clutch by Tarte. It's a very interesting product that caught my eyes while I was browsing. I got this from a page called the Beauty Mall. It was on Black Friday sale and this has cost me 2,980 taka after the sale. So yeah, this was a great deal, I would say. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how it looks like. I watched a few reviews before I actually got it and I was quite impressed. So this is how it looks like. It is a really nice clutch that you get with this blush palette. As you open it up, you get a mirror and some card holders, and here are your blushes. You get 5 blushes, and actually not all of them are blushes. I'm gonna read them to you. So it says that it has 3 Amazonian clay long wearing powder blushes in a beautiful blend of matte and soft micro shimmer texture, 1 Amazonian clay long wearing bronzer and 1 Amazonian clay long wearing highlighter. So you get 3 blushes, 1 highlighter and a bronzer, which is in a very soft color. This blush has like really micro shimmers in it, which is so great. I love products that has micro shimmers in them. One other thing that I want to show you guys, that as you open it up, you can just take this palette out and put your cell phone there and use this as a regular clutch. You can also keep your cards in there because this has some card holders, which I think is great. So you get a very nice blush palette as well as a beautiful clutch, which I think is a win-win. Let me now show you how these blushes actually look like. So I will be applying the bronzer. I already have a little bit of blush on right now, but I think it's okay. So I think this bronzer is really soft and subtle. Doesn't have that much, but I do love it. It really have a very soft wash of color. The next blush that I am going to try is this one, because this one seems to be the more color that I usually use. I'm so glad I bought this. And on my second cheek, I would love to use this one. This has, as I said, has micro shimmers in it. This one is perfect for day-to-day use. Both of them are really pretty. This one is actually more like when you are just going for a fresh look. I think this one is perfect for that. So let me just go ahead and use this shimmery highlighter. This is buildable. Just giving me a very healthy glow, which I am loving right now. I don't think you can really see that much on camera, but let me zoom in a little. You see, there is a very subtle glow. And that blush is really beautiful. You can see that glow. Oh my god, it's really so beautiful. There's one blush that I did not try, is this one. I'm assuming it's also very wearable. You won't be able to see it that much on camera, so that's why I didn't show you guys. Let me just give you a quick swatch of these. Yeah, you can barely see that, right? So yeah, those are the blushes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are planning on buying this palette, then I would say go for it. It's a great investment. You get a clutch, you get a palette, you get amazing colors of blushes. It's just a win-win situation. So yes, go ahead, buy this. It's a good deal. and Black Friday sale is off now, so you will have to buy it maybe at full price. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I post on every Friday, so make sure that you're subscribed and you have clicked the bell button to be notified every time I post a video. So that was it. I hope to see you next time.